Hello students, welcome to Sri classes. In my previous class, I was solving exercise 12.3 and we are continuing exercise 12.3 in this lecture. I think we solved about 8 numericals. From 9th onwards, we'll continue now. So let us have a look at 9th question now. Question number 9. In figure 12.27 refers to this diagram here. I hope this is clearly visible to all of you. In figure 12.27, AB and CD are two diameters of the circle with center O perpendicular to each other. So AB and CD, these are the two diameters which are perpendicular to each other. So angle BOC here, this is 90 degrees. And what else? And OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. This OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA equals 7 centimeter, if OA, the radius of the bigger circle, is given to us, if OA equals 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. The area of the shaded region over here can be grouped into 1, 2 and 3. 3 is the area of the circle over here. OA is given as radius here 7 centimeter. So OD also will be 7 centimeter. So radius of this smaller circle is 7 divided by 2. So how to calculate the region, area of the shaded region? 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 equals area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle, and finally you can separately calculate the area of the circle and add to these two areas. So let us solve this on the board now. So here the diagram, and this is question number 9. So given information I will write here, given this AB and DC are perpendicular to each other. AB is perpendicular to DC, implies angle BOC equals 90 degrees, and also radius of the circle is given. OA equals, here I will write R equals, OA equals 7 centimeter. So R is the radius of the main circle here, and of course the radius of the smaller circle is nothing but 7 divided by 2, which will name it as R1. So probably here itself I will write it here, R1 equals OD divided by 2, OD by 2, which is 7 by 2. So radius 1 is the radius of the small circle, and R equals OA, this is R here, which equals 7 centimeter. Okay, so I will write RA is given to you, and also I will write here R1 equals 7 by 2 centimeter. This is the given information. Also let me mark the shaded regions as, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. These are the shaded regions, you can mark it. Now area of the shaded region 1 plus 2 is equal to area of shaded region 1 plus 2 is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle, area of the semicircle ACB minus area of the triangle ABC. So area of semicircle of R equals 7 centimeter minus area of triangle ABC, which is equal to area of the semicircle is half pi R square minus area of the triangle ABC here, half into AB into OC. OC is an altitude, AB is a base here. I hope you are able to understand here. This AB and DC are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, this is a right angle, and hence OC becomes altitude for triangle ABC, with base AB. So half into base is AB into OC is the altitude. OC is nothing but the radius and AB is the diameter. So this is half into 22 by 7 into R square, 7 into 7 minus half into what is AB, 14 into 7. So this is equal to 7 cancels, 2 ones are 2 11s are, so 11 into 7 77 minus 2 ones are 2 sevens are, 7 into 7 49, and this is equal to 50. 27 plus 1 28 square centimeter should be the area of the shaded region 1 plus 2. Now we have to calculate the area of the shaded region, this one, the circle. Mark this as 1 here. Now we will calculate area of circle, that is 3, region 3 is equal to pi r1 square, which is 22 by 7 into r1 is how much? R1 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7, 7, 2 ones are 2 11s are, which is equal to 77 square centimeter. Therefore, total area of the by 2 77 divided by 2, correct, square centimeter. So therefore total area of shaded region equals 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to this will let us mark it as 2, and this one tag it as 1. I will mark this as 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 we get 28 plus 77 by 2. 28 plus 77 divided by 2. Let me check what I have done here. It is 28 plus 77 divided by 2, correct, which is 28 plus, either you can, this is 38.5, which is 66.5 square centimeter. I am taking it in terms of fraction. I hope this should be correct. Or you can 28 into 2 56 plus 77 divided by 2 also you can write it. Okay, that way also it is possible. So the total area of the shaded region is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 66.5 square centimeter. And finally once again you have to write, therefore the required area of the shaded region is equal to 66.5 square centimeter. I hope you understand this one. So make a note of this. Question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 square centimeter. With each vertex of the triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Figure 12.28. This figure refers to this question. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi equals 3.14 and root 3 equals 1.73205. Here very important information, root 3 equals 1.73205. We have to take this entire numerical value in order to solve this problem, then only this problem will be easier. Now it is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle, and the radius of this circle, if I mark this as something like E, then AE will be the radius of this circle. So how do you calculate the radius of the circle is the question. First we have to find out one of the sides of this equilateral triangle. Half the side gives us the radius, and area of this equilateral triangle is given to us. So root 3 by 4 times square of the side gives 17320.5. So you can find out the side, then the radius, then area of the shaded region is equal to area of the triangle minus 3 times the area of the sector. 3 times the area of the sector. Here this is one sector, this is another sector, this is another sector. All these are congruent. Therefore 3 times the area of the sectors is this plus this plus this. But what is the angle here? This is 60 degrees because ABC is an equilateral triangle. So let us solve this on the board. Here this is the diagram. ABC is an equilateral triangle. AB equals BC equals AC, and this angle is 60 degree over here. All these are 60 degrees because it is an equilateral triangle, and the area is given here. Area of the triangle ABC is 17,320.5 square centimeter. Radius of the circle they have given as half the side of the equilateral triangle, means AB by 2 I can take it. And another couple of information is given to us, that is we have to take the value of pi equals 3.14 and root 3 equals 1.73205. 1.73205. With this, let us solve now. First of all, we need to find out the radius. In order to find the radius, we need to find out the side of the triangle. If you can find the side of the triangle, then the radius will be half of the side. How do you find out the side of the triangle? You know, area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 times side square. So I can find out one of the sides. Then I can find the radius. Then area of the shaded region is area of the triangle minus 3 times the area of the sector. So given, already given information I have written, area of triangle ABC equals 17320.5 square centimeter, which is root 3 by 4 times AB square. Root 3 by 4 times AB square is equal to 17320.5. So we have to find out AB square equals 17320.5 divided by root 3 and into 4. Correct? AB square is equal to that one. Now this is equal to 17320.5 into 4, the whole divided by root 3. What is the value of root 3? 1.73205. 1.73205, which is equal to 17320.5 into 4 divided by, see here, I'll shift this decimal place to here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 places. I'll be shifting the decimal point from here to here towards the right side. So that will be 10 to the power minus of, 10 to the power minus of number of places 1, 2, 3, 4. If I shift the decimal point towards the right side, it is 10 to the power minus. If I shift the decimal to the left, it is 10 to the power plus. So this is here 17320.5 into 10 to the power minus 4, which is equal to, this will cancel, 4 into 10 to the power 4. Is it right? So 4 into 10 to the power 4. So this is AB square, and therefore AB is equal to under root of 4 into 10 to the power 4, which is 2 into 10 to the power 2, which is 200 centimeter. Therefore radius of the circle equals AB by 2, which is 200 by 2, which is 100 centimeter. So we got the radius as 100 centimeter, the radius of the circle. Now area of the shaded region is equal to area of required shaded region is equal to area of the triangle ABC minus 3 times area of sector. If you want to name, I can name this as A, B, C, D and E. So 3 times area of the sector ADE, we'll write it. All the 3 sectors are same there. So from the triangle, if I subtract 3 times the area of one sector, then that gives the area of the shaded region. So area of the triangle is given to us as 17320.5 square centimeter minus 3 times sector area is 60 by 360 into pi into the radius is 100 into 100 pi r square, theta by 360 into pi r square, and we have to take the value of pi here as 3.14. please remember. Now this one goes 6 ones are 6 6 are 3 ones are 3 2s are 2 ones are 2 50s are. Okay, so this is equal to 17320.5 minus pi value is 3.14 into 100 into 50 into 50. Okay, this is 17320.5 minus 3.14 into 100 is 314 into 50. So I'll work out this now. 17320.5 minus 5 4s are 20, 5 2 0. Okay, 15,700, and therefore 17320.5 minus 15,700.0 502 7 14 6 1. Check it, 16205. Yeah, so this is 16205 units of measurement square centimeter. 16205, 16205. Any problem? 0.5. Okay, here it is 0.5. Okay, 1620.5. yeah, just a moment. It is 16205 here, point here, 0 2 6 7 minus 5 6, correct. 1620.5 0.5 square centimeter. So make a note of this. Question number 11, this is 12.29. Question number 11 refers to this diagram. Okay, so on a square handkerchief, this ABCD is a square handkerchief. 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter, are made. These are the designs, circular designs, and the radius of each circle is 7 centimeter. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So the remaining portion of the handkerchief is area of the square minus 9 times area of the circle. So here interestingly, the radius of this the radius of the circle is given. You have to calculate the side here, side of the square. How do you calculate? This is diameter, diameter, diameter. So 3 times diameter or 6 times radius is equal to AB. So 6 times 7, 42 centimeter, you will get AB. Then you can find out the area of the remaining part of the kerchief. Let us solve this on the board. Question number 11. The diagram is like this. It is a handkerchief. 9 designs are made which are circular. The radius of this each circle is given as r equals 7 centimeter. How do you calculate the side AB here? AB equals 3 times the diameter of these circles or 6 times the radius of these circles. So from diagram, AB equals 6r, 6 into 7, which is 42 centimeter. Now area of the square ABCD is equal to 42 into 42. Just check it. It is 1764 square centimeter. Now area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle here is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 So 7 7 cancels, 7 22 into 7 154. Check this. Okay, this is correct. Now area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to area of, not writing clearly, put the ink for this, area of remaining portion of handkerchief CH. Can you should go back to this thing, KERCHIEF, kerchief is equal to area of the square minus area of 9 times area of circle, which is equal to 1764 minus 9 into 154, which equals 1764 minus 36 ಮೂರು 95 45 3 48 4 11 9 9 3 12 13 1386. Is it correct? 1386. So this is equal to 8 16 9 7 7 4 3. So correct. So 378 square centimeters. So make a note of this one. Question number 12. In figure 12.30 is this diagram. So this figure refers to this question. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with O with center O. OACB, this is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. OA equals 3.5 centimeter. OA or OB both are same, 3.5 centimeter. If OD equals 2 centimeter, from here to here OD equals 2.2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant OACB and the area of the shaded region. See, you can easily find out the area of the quadrant, that is 1/4 pi r square, which is nothing but 90 divided, this is 90 degree, quadrant means this is 90 degree, okay. And area of the shaded region you can find out by area of the quadrant minus area of the right triangle OBD, for which you should know this distance and this distance. This we already know the radius, and OD is equal to 2 centimeter given to you already. So half into OB into OD gives the area of the triangle, and area of the quadrant is 1/4 pi r square. So area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle gives you the shaded region area. Let us solve this on the board. This is a diagram here, and OACB, it is a quadrant, and therefore definitely this is right triangle here. Given OA equals OB equals 3.5 centimeter and OD equals 2 centimeter, that is given to you. So according to the first part of the question, find out the area of the quadrant. You know, first we have to find out the area of the quadrant and then the shaded region. So area of the quadrant OACB is equal to 1/4 pi r square, or 90 by 360 pi r square also is equal to 1/4 pi r square, and area of the shaded region is area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle OBD. So let us solve this now. First part, area of quadrant OACB is equal to 1/4 pi r square, which is 1/4. What is the value of pi? We have to take 22 by 7 now. 22 by 7 into radius. What is the radius given to us? 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 into 3.5. So here 2 2s are 2 11s are 7 1s are 7 0.5. Okay, so this is 11 by 2 into 0.5. I can write it as 5 by 10 into 35 divided by 10. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 7s are, which is equal to 11 into 7 divided by 8, which is 77 divided by 8 square centimeter. This is the area of the quadrant. Next, area of the shaded region, second part. Area of required shaded region is equal to area of this quadrant minus area of the triangle. Area of quadrant OABC OACB minus area of triangle OBD. It is a right triangle. What is the area of the quadrant? 77 by 8 minus half into OB into OD. Half into OB into OD. 77 by 8 minus half into OB is how much? 3.5 into 2. So this will cancel 3.5, which is 77 by 8 minus, I will write this as 3.5 is 35 by 10, which is equal to 2 5 2s are 5 7s are. So 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2, which is equal to 8 is the LCM, 2 4s are. So 77 minus 28, and which is equal to 77 minus 28 9, 7 minus 3 4, 49 divided by 8 square centimeter. Let us check the answer. Yeah, it is correct. So I hope you understand, quite simple one. So make a note of this one. Question number 13. In figure 12.31, which one? This one. This is the diagram here. In figure 12.31, a square OABC, this is a square. It is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. This is a quadrant into which the square is inscribed. If OA equals 20 centimeter, from here to here it is 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. In order to find the area of the shaded region, we must know the radius OB. If I join OB, that becomes the radius of the quadrant, isn't it? So OABC is a square. This is 20, therefore this also is 20. So I can find out OB by applying Pythagoras theorem. Once if I find out OB, I can find the area of the quadrant minus area of the square gives me area of the shaded region. So let us solve this on the board. This is the diagram here, and OABC is a square here. OA equals 20 centimeter. So OA is 20 centimeter and this AB is also 20 centimeter. So let me join this OB, and this OB is equal to R. Okay, so OA equals 20 and AB is also equal to 20 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, R square equals OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square, which is 20 square plus 20 square, 2 times 20 square, 2 into 400. So R equals under root of 2 into 400, which is 400 comes out as 20. So 20 root 2 centimeter. So R equals 20 root 2 centimeter. Now area of the shaded region is equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the square. So area of shaded region is equal to area of square, not area of the square, area of quadrant OPBQ minus area of square, that is OABC. So area of the quadrant is 1/4 pi into r. What is the radius? R square. I'll write minus area of the square is OA into AB. OA into AB. So 1/4 into 3.14 into radius is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus OA into OB, 20 into 20. So this is equal to, we can find out this as 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. I'll take, so 3.14 into 5 root 2 into 20 root 2, 5 into 20 100, root 2 into root 2 2. So this is 314, also minus 400. Okay, that's fine. So this is 314 into 2, 314 into 2 minus 400, minus 400, 228 units of measurement square centimeter. Check the answer please. So I hope you understand this. Make a note of this. Question number 14. This diagram is 12.32 and 12.32. This sketch refers to this problem. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. AB, this is one arc, and CD, this is another arc. These two are the arcs of two concentric circles of radius 21 and 7 centimeter. Radius this is 21 and radius this is 7 centimeter, and center O. Okay, if angle AOB is 30 degrees, this angle, find the area of the shaded region. Simple. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the outer sector minus area of the inner sector, or area of the sector OAB minus area of the sector OCD gives the area of the shaded region. Let us solve this. This is the diagram given, and area of the shaded region is given by area of shaded region is equal to, what is the area of the shaded region here? Area of the sector OAB minus area of the sector OCD. Is it clear? Area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. So use the formula. Area of the sector is 30 by 360 degrees into pi into this sector is radius is 21, so 21 square minus 30 by 360 into pi into 7 square. 7 square. Is it clear? So 30 by 360 into pi will be a common here, and which can be 3 ones are 0 0, 3 ones are 3 12s are, same thing here also. So common is pi by 12 into bracket 21 square minus 7 square, which is equal to pi by 12 into 12 plus 7 into 12 minus 7. A square minus b square formula I am applying. What is that pi I have to take here? Can you switch over to the problem? Pi, no, I'll have to, he has not given anything, and therefore I'll consider the value of pi as 22/7 here. So let's see, we'll solve that at the end. Pi by 12 into 19 into 12 minus 7, 5, which is equal to 22/7 into 1/12 into 19 into 5. I think it's possible, but sorry, I have made a mistake here. Just a moment. This is just a moment. Sorry for that. Pi by 12 into 21 plus 7 into 21 minus 7, which equals pi by 12 into 28 into 21 minus 1, 20 minus 6, 14. Is that clear? So now once again, pi is 22/7 into 1/12 into 28 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 threes are 2 11s are, and here that's all, which is equal to 28 11 into 28 divided by 3 . Is it how much is it getting? 308 divided by 3 square centimeter. Let me check the answer. 308 by 3 square centimeter. So make a note of this one. Next, question number 15. In figure 12.33, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. ABC, it is a quadrant, okay, this way, ABC, this is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter, and a semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. With BC as a diameter, this semicircle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded region. That is, area of this shaded region we have to find out. So let us solve this on the board. So this is the diagram here. Here this is a quadrant ABC. This is a quadrant here. ABC is a quadrant. Radius, let me name that as R1 equals 14 centimeter here. R1 is 14 centimeter, and one more radius I am considering here, that is marking the midpoint of BC as a D here, and mark one more point N on this outer circle, semicircle, mark that as N. So DN is the radius of semicircle BNC. Is it clear? Now how do you find out the area of this shaded region? Area of the shaded region is equal to area of this semicircle minus area of this segment BMC. I am talking about the segment there. Area of this segment BMC. But how do you find out the area of the segment BMC? First we will find out the area of the segment BMC, that is area of the quadrant ABMC minus area of the triangle ABC, isn't it? So let us find out now area of the segment BMC. First we will find area of segment BMC, this segment BMC is equal to, I hope you are able to understand what is the area of the segment BMC. With red I will mark this. You got it? Red portion is to be subtracted from the semicircle BNC. Okay, so area of the segment BMC is equal to area of the quadrant ABMC, area of quadrant ABMC minus area of the triangle ABC. What is the area of the quadrant? Area of the quadrant is given by area of the quadrant is 1/4 pi into 14 into 14 minus area of the triangle ABC is half into 14 into 14. Area of the triangle ABC is half this into this, altitude, base into altitude. So which is equal to 2 2s are 2 7s are. So once again 22 by 22, or I'll write just say 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 14 minus 7 into 14. 2 1s are 2 7s are. Clear? So 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 by 2. 7 into 14 is common. 7 into 14 into bracket 11 by 7 minus 1, which is 7 should cancel here. 7 into 14 into 11 minus 7 divided by 7. This will cancel. 14 into 11 minus 1, 10 minus 6, 4. Correct? 4 plus 1, 7. Okay. I am getting 56. How much is the answer? 90. This is area of the segment. Okay, 56 square centimeter. Area of the segment BMC. Now area of the shaded region is equal to, mark this as 1. Now area of shaded region, here the area of the shaded region is this blue shaded region. Okay, that is the question. Red is only for your information. I marked. Probably I will erase this red, which is not required. You have understood already what is the segment. Okay, fine. This is not required now. I hope this is very clear for you. That is what we have to find out. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of semicircle with R equals what is that we have got? Area of, we have to find out the this radius R2. So let us find out the radius R2. Here I will find out. See here, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, and BC by 2 gives me the radius, which is BD or DN. Okay, so first let us calculate the radius of the semicircle BNC. So here I will write, let R2 be radius of semicircle BNC. Therefore, how do you get that one? BC square equals, now by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is AB square plus AC square, which is 14 square plus 14 square, which is 2 times 14 square, and therefore BC is equal to under root of 2 into 14 square, which is 14 root 2 centimeter. This is BC, and radius BD is equal to BC by 2. Now R2 is equal to BC by 2, which is 14 root 2 by 2, which is 7 root 2 centimeter. So we have calculated the radius R2, 7 root 2 centimeter. If I mark this as 1, this is 2 here. Okay, is it clear for all of you? The radius R2 is 7 root 2 centimeter. Now area of the semicircle with radius R2 minus area of this segment BMC, area of segment BMC. So half pi r2 square minus area of the segment BMC is 56 square centimeter, 56 square centimeter, which is equal to half into 22 by 7 into R2 is 7 root 2 square, 7 root 2 square, 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus 56. This 7 cancels, and root 2 into root 2, 22 by 2 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus 56. 7 is there. 22 by 2 into 7. Just a moment. See here, root 2 into root 2, 2. This and this cancels here. So this is 7 into 22 minus 56. 22 into 7 minus 56 minus 56, which is equal to 6 Is it 98 square centimeter? Yeah. So this is the answer for this. A little typical question here. First we have to find out this area of this segment, and then we can find out the area of the shaded region by subtracting the area of the segment from area of the semicircle here. In order to find out the area of the semicircle, I need to find out the radius of the bigger semicircle, which is BC by 2. So BC can be found out by using Pythagoras theorem. So BC square equals this square plus this square. So this way you can find out. So make a note of all this. Question number 16. Calculate the area of the designed region in figure 12.34 common between the two quadrants of the circles of radius 8 centimeter each. So this is the design over here. We have to find out the area of this design basically, and all rest of the dimensions are given. Using this, let us try to find out the area of the shaded region. A little tricky. You have to make a clear note of this one. Let's solve this on the board. Now this is the diagram given to you. We have to find out the area of this design basically. Now here a small twist is there. In order to find the area of this entire design, I am breaking this design part into two parts basically. That is by joining this one. A to C, I will join this one. Is it clear? And mark this region as 1 and this region as 2. So region 1 plus 2 gives me the area of the total design, that is the shaded region. Now very important here, how do you find out the area of this region 1? See here, area of region 1 is equal to area of the quadrant DAC, this quadrant minus area of the triangle DAC, this one DAC. So area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle gives me area of the shaded region 1. So area of the shaded region 2 is also the same thing because it is symmetrical, and therefore the total area of the shaded region or the design is equal to area of the shaded region 1 plus 2 or 2 times 1, I can say. Is it clear? So let us find out now. Do we have a radius? Yes, radius is given to us. So area of the shaded region 1, area of shaded region 1 is equal to area of the shaded region 1 is equal to area of quadrant DAC minus area of the triangle DAC. Area of the quadrant is 1/4 pi, r square is radius is 8 into 8 minus area of the triangle DAC is equal to half into DC into AD. So 8 into 8, which is equal to, what is the value of pi has he asked us? 22 by 7. I'll take it. So 1/4. Here let me simplify. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 22 by 7 into 8 twos are 16. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Okay. 8 twos are 16. I'll make it. Minus 2 ones are 2 fours are 32, which is equal to, correct, no? 8 twos are 16. 22 by 7. 8 twos are 16. 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are exactly more than it is correct. So we will take the LCM now. 7 22 into 16 minus 7 into 32 divided by 7, which is equal to 32 minus 224 divided by 7. So here 352 224 128 by 7 square centimeter is what we are getting. This is what? This is area of the region 1. What about the area of the region 2 also? Now area of shaded region 2 is also equal to 128 by 7 square centimeter. Therefore total area of the design is equal to area 1 plus 2, which is 128 by 7 plus 128 by 7, which is 2 into 128 by 7, okay, which is equal to 256 by 7 is what we are getting. So finally area of the shaded region is equal to 256 by 7 square centimeter. So it is preferable if you find out the area of the shaded region 1, and of course 2 is also equal to 1. So area of the design is equal to area of the region 1 into 2 also, you can do that. Okay. So I think make a note of this one. Let us have a look at example sums now. Example 4, figure 12.15. This is the diagram for this example. Two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of a square lawn ABCD of side 56 meter. ABCD, it is a square lawn here, and these two are the flower beds which have been shown on two edges of the square. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn, find the sum of areas of the lawn and the flower beds. See here, O is the intersection point of these diagonals, and O is the center of this circular portion. So OA will be the radius of this circular arc, okay, the circular portion. So what is that we have to find out is area of the square plus area of the square lawn plus area of the flower beds is the question asked. We have to add these two areas, that is the sum of area of this flower bed plus area of this flower bed plus area of the square lawn is what we have to find out. The sum of area of the square lawn and two flower beds is to be added. Let us solve this on the board. Here this is the diagram, and ABCD is a square here, and these two are the flower beds. OA, OB, both are radii. So OA is the radius of this circular arc here, and OC is also the circular radius of the circular arc. Now what we will do here is, this AB is given to us because it is a square of side 56. We can find out the area of the flower bed, and there are two flower beds which are equal, and this arc APB is the sector basically. OAPB is the sector of radius OA, and the area of this flower bed is equal to area of this flower bed. Okay, so first let us find out the area of the flower bed, then we'll add that area into the square long. So ABCD is the square of side 56 meter. Find the sum of areas of lawn and flower bed. See, area of the flower bed is nothing but here, it is a quadrant. Area of the flower bed is nothing but it is the area of the segment here. You can use the formula for theta by 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 also you can use. But instead of that, what I am doing here is area of the segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle OAB. You understood? Area of the sector minus area of this triangle gives you area of the segment. So area of the flower bed is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So in right triangle OAB, it is a right triangle. Why it is so? It is a square basically ABCD, and the diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other, and hence triangle OAB is a right triangle. In that, AB square equals OA square plus OB square, but OA is also is equal to OB. OA is also is equal to OB. You got it? So I hope you understand, diagonals bisect each other, but diagonals are equal, and hence OA equals OB equals OC equals OD in a square, and therefore AB square is equal to 2 times OA square. So OA is equal to 56 by root 2, you get it. Now the radius R, this is R here. OA is equal to the radius of this sector OAPB or OAB also you can say. So R is the radius here, this is the radius of the sector. Area of the sector can be given as 1/4 pi r square, because it is a quadrant there, because 90 degree is the angle of the sector, hence it is a quadrant. So 1/4 pi r square, 1/4 22 by 7 into 56 by root 2 the whole square. If you simplify, I get the area of the sector as 1232 square meters. Then find out the area of the triangle OAB. Area of this triangle OAB is very important here. See, of course you know this OA here, so half into OA into OB also you can do, or these 4 triangles are congruent triangles, and therefore area of the triangle OAB is equal to 1/4 the area of the square. That way also I can take. So here I have taken area of the triangle OAB as 1/4 the area of the square, which I am getting as 784 square meters. Now I can find out the area of the flower bed. Area of the flower bed is area of the sector OAB minus area of the triangle OAB. Area of the sector OAB is given as 1232 square meter. So this is 2 here, and this is 3. So for this one from 2 and 3, what is this? Area of the flower bed according to this equation, area of the sector is 1232 minus area of the triangle OAB 784. Here it is 784. So from 2 and 3 I have substituted the values for area of the sector and area of the triangle. Finally I got area of the flower bed as 448 square meters. But there are 2 flower beds, hence the total area of flower beds is 2 into 448, 896 square meters. Up till this it is very clear to you. So 896 square meters is the area of these 2 flower beds. Now in order to get the sum of areas of the square lawn plus flower beds, we'll get the area of the square lawn as 56 into 56 plus 896 is the areas of flower beds. So if you work out, 4032 square meters is the total area of this entire geometrical figure, which is the area of the square lawn plus area of the flower beds. So I hope you understand this, and make a note of this. It is quite simple, not much of a problem. There are many ways to calculate the area of the triangle OAB. Okay, you can, as I said, 56 by root 2 is OA, half into OA into OB. If you do that, that also will give you the area of the triangle OAB, 784 square meters. Okay, so make a note of this one. Example number 5. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.16 where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. So ABCD, it is a square of side 14 centimeter. AB equals 14 centimeter. Now in order to find the area of the shaded region, that is this shaded region, how can we find out is area of the square minus area of 4 circles. In order to find the area of these 4 circles, we should know the radius of this circle. How to calculate? This is the diameter here and this is the diameter. So this is 2r and 2r. If r is the radius, then from here to here it is 2r, from here to here it is 2r. 2r plus 2r, 4r. 4r equals 14 centimeter. So r equals 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4 is 7 by 2. Is it clear? 14 divided by 4 is 7 by 2. Radius of each circle is 7 by 2 centimeter. What is the area of the square? 14 into 14, 196 square centimeter. And area of one circle, here it is given. If you calculate this one, probably 77 by something, just a moment, we'll see that 77 by 2 square centimeters. But there are 4 circles. So total area of the 4 circles is 77 by 2 into 4 circles, which is 154 square centimeter. So this 154 square centimeter is the area of kitna circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the area of the square? 196. So 196 minus total area of the circles is 154. That gives you the area of the shaded region. 196 minus 154, which is 42 square centimeter. This is a simple one, and therefore I am not solving on the board, just explain this. Now this is very interesting and we will try to solve this on the board now. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.17. This is the diagram here, where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. This square of side 10 centimeter, and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as a diameter. So if AB is the diameter, this is one semicircle. If BC is the diameter, this is one more semicircle. If DC is the diameter, this is a semicircle. If AD is the diameter, and this is the semicircle. So each side as a diameter, 4 semicircles are drawn here. What is the question asked? Find the area of the shaded design. This is the area of the shaded design. In order to find out this one, here what he has done is, let us mark this unshaded region first. Remember, before we find out the area of the shaded regions, let us find out the area of the unshaded region. Which are those regions? 1, 2, or you can say 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4 also, it will not make any difference. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the unshaded regions. So area of the shaded design is equal to area of the square minus areas 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is how we are going to get it. Interestingly, how to calculate the area of 1 and 3, and which is also equal to 2 and 4, 2 plus 4. Area of the region, unshaded region, 1 plus 3 we have to find out first, which is also equal to area of the unshaded regions, 2 plus 4. So let us solve this on the board. So example 6, ABCD is a square of 10 centimeter and we need to find out the area of the shaded design. In order to find the area of the shaded design, let us find out the areas of unshaded regions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now to find out 1 and 3, this is the diagram. Area of unshaded region 1 plus 3 is equal to area of the square minus 2 times area of semicircle. There are 2 semicircles, so 2 times area of the semicircle. That gives me area of the shaded region 1 and 3. What is the radius of this semicircle? If AB is the diameter, then radius is half of this one, that is 5 centimeter is the radius of all these semicircles. So radius of semicircles is r equals 5 centimeter. Is it very clear? Now next, area of the unshaded region 1 plus 3 is equal to area of square minus area of semicircles. How many semicircles? 2. So 2 into area of semicircles. Semicircle I'll write, it is okay. 10 into 10 minus 2 into area of the semicircle is half pi r square. 100 minus 2 cancels, it is pi r square. Pi r square is 3.14 into r is 5 square is 5 square. 100 minus 3.14 into 25, which is equal to 100 minus 25 fours are 100, 0, 10, 25 ones are 25, 35, 3, 75, 78, which is 78.50, which is 100, 78.5 into 21.5. This is area of the unshaded region 1 plus 3. What about 2 plus 4? Also area of unshaded regions two plus 4 is equal to same 21.5 square centimeter. Also area of the unshaded region 2 plus 4 is also equal to same, because here you can see both are same only. 2 plus 4. In order to find out 2 plus 4, this is 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to area of the square minus 2 times area of the semicircle, which is nothing but the same as the area of the unshaded region 1 plus 3. And therefore area of the unshaded region 2 plus 4 is also equal to 21.5 square centimeter. Clear? Now therefore total area of unshaded region, therefore area of unshaded region 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 21.5 plus 21.5, which is 42 plus 1 43 square centimeter. Is it correct? 21 plus 21 42 plus 0.5 0.51, which is 43 square centimeter. Now area of the shaded design is equal to, or one more we will try to find out area of the square also. Now can we tag it? This is 1. Now area of square ABCD is equal to 100. 10 into 10 basically, which is 100. This is 2. Now area of shaded design is equal to area of square ABCD minus areas 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Is it clear? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. which is equal to 100 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 43. I'll write here from 1 and 2. Just we are tracing it, and this is equal to 100 minus 43, 57 square centimeter, and therefore finally, is it correct? Check it. 57 square centimeter. Area of unshaded area of shaded design is equal to 57 square centimeter. This is the answer for this. Is it clear? Yes, students, we have completed this chapter, areas related to circles, chapter number 12 in all respects. See, textbook numericals are very important from the examination point of view. Almost all types of typical sums have been covered in the textbook, and of course in example sums. You can have a look at R.D. Sharma numericals, and you can concentrate there on only the previous year questions, which I'll be taking up in my live sessions. So for the time being, we have completed chapter number 12 of your maths, areas related to circles in all respects. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next lecture with one more chapter is left in mathematics. 2 chapters I think, that is कौन सा बाकी बच गया है? Mensuration, that is surface areas and volumes, and construction. These are the chapters which have been left now, and that will be covering in my next session. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.